Are you ready to see the future of luxury electric sedans? The 2025 Tesla Model S is here, and it's redefining what it means to combine cutting-edge technology with performance and sustainability. This is the car you've been waiting for. The 2025 Tesla Model S builds on its iconic design, showcasing a sleek aerodynamic silhouette that screams elegance and sophistication. With updated lighting elements, a refreshed grille design, and potentially new wheel configurations, this iteration elevates its visual appeal while staying true to Tesla's signature style. Step inside, and you'll find an interior crafted for ultimate comfort and luxury. High-quality materials, spacious seating with ample legroom, and a large trunk make this a perfect blend of style and practicality. Of course, the centerpiece is Tesla's signature touchscreen display, giving you seamless access to navigation, media, and vehicle settings, all with an intuitive, futuristic interface. Performance is where Tesla never compromises. The 2025 Model S is expected to feature powerful electric motors that deliver breathtaking acceleration. With Tesla's continuous advancements in battery technology, you'll enjoy an even greater driving range, making long-distance travel more convenient than ever. And thanks to Tesla's vast supercharger network, quick and hassle-free charging is always within reach. The 2025 Tesla Model S is not just a car, it's a revolution on wheels. It blends luxury, technology, and sustainability into an extraordinary driving experience. So, are you ready to embrace the future? Stay tuned to Car Release TV for more exciting updates. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. See you next time.